Here we are, all covered up. And I was right. It was gonna rain. You can probably hear it. But I was right. It was gonna rain. You think I stopped when I did? Really need to get some concrete, make some concrete pads. And I'd like to get a canopy, but one tall enough to cover that. And one big enough to cover this whole area. That'd be cool. I don't think they have them that size though. I need to fix these dip bars or dip bricks. So there's no bars there. Just this little thing that's really nothing. It's not part of anything. But if you guys follow me, I get enough following, maybe I can have a Patreon. Some of you guys might be able to help me out. Fund some of this fun stuff. But I'll catch y'all next time. Have a good one, dude.